Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of more pre-ECB positioning. In Denmark, their central bank has delivered a surprise rate cut overnight to prevent the krone from gaining further. And it tried to quash speculation it may follow Switzerland and abandon its euro peg, saying it has the tools to defend its peg to the euro. This is all part of preparations for the ECB's big announcement on Friday our time, which is thought to involve bond buying of up to 550 billion euro. In the New Zealand context, that is a bit more than the value of all New Zealand houses. Markets in New York are mostly closed for a public holiday, Martin Luther King Day today. The other EU stress point is nearing a result, with the Greek election expected to deliver a parliament opposed to their bailout terms. Grexit is likely. Results will be available on Monday. In Australia, ANZ is preparing to sell off its giant Asanda vehicle and equipment asset lender. Where that will leave their New Zealand UDC is unsure, although UDC is not part of the Asanda move. But no doubt the Melbourne thinking that is driving the Asanda changes will dominate how ANZ sees UDC. In New York, benchmark US Treasury 10-year yields inched up again, but only to 1.83%. Yesterday, New Zealand swap rates remained remarkably flat, despite rising a few basis points across the whole curve. The oil price has stayed low, erasing the excitement of last week's small gains. It is now in the mid-$47 range, while the Brent price is in the mid-$48 range. This is as close as the two benchmarks have been for a very long time, and comes as the Iraqis report record output. And the Saudis seem to expect low oil prices for at least 8 years. And Iran says they could withstand a $25 per barrel price. The gold price is holding its high level and is now at $1,273 an ounce. We start today with the New Zealand dollar at 77.7 US cents, at 94.7 Aussie cents, and the TWR is at 79.7. Later in the morning, we'll get the important NZIER quarterly survey of business opinion, to be followed this afternoon by Chinese GDP for the December quarter. Both are important releases. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.